saw a tractor trying to kill a woman, trying to mamash hit with the
blade.
The blade. It tried to knock off her head. Baruch Hashem, he missed her head in few inches. Then it continued, tried to throw a bus around. Then he succeeded in turning upside down a private car and the driver and cut his foot off, actually. Then continued. It all took maybe 30 seconds till a settler from Susya settlement started to shoot him, and then a few seconds later, another soldier from Mishmar HaGvul finished the job.
Border policeman, yes.